They say demographics are destiny, and for many years, real estate investment flows have followed population growth, with the Southeast and the Southwest as magnets for capital. But real estate investors need to be savvy in response to changing demographics. Recently released census data showed that the US population growth decelerated sharply to just 0.5% in the 12 months ending July 2025. This was driven by a record decline in international migration and a slowing birth rate. Excluding the COVID-19 pandemic, annual population growth has not been this sluggish since 1919, amid the great influenza pandemic. A SitusAMC analysis found notable population shifts among states, with Florida and Texas decelerating, while South Atlantic and Midwest states grew. Though Florida population grew 0.9% in 2025, relatively strong, it was a 60 basis point decline from its 5-year average, and the worst downshift among the states by far. Texas, another populous state and frequent focus of institutional investors, saw population growth decline 20 basis points relative to its 5-year average, though its overall 2025 growth rate was still among the highest in the nation. However, the Census Bureau's data are on a significant lag, so we at SitusAMC Insights developed our proprietary dynamic population tracker, which provides monthly updates across 51 metros using alternative gauges that measure population flows and dynamics well ahead of the census data. As of January 2026, some Sunbelt states, including Arizona, North Carolina, and Texas, rank near the top in population growth, while Florida and Georgia have middling ranks. States that have struggled over the past few years, such as New York and California, are ranking closer to the median. Over the past 6 months, Texas has experienced a decline in rank, evidence of slowing population growth. While Florida gained 2 spots in our rankings, its population growth remains lackluster. So what does this mean? After shining brightly through the pandemic-era migration boom, the Sun Belt's growth narrative, particularly that for Florida and Texas, appears to be losing momentum. Population growth is slowing, and the outlook is further complicated by weakening international immigration.